Hi everyone, I'm glad you found to cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make meatballs right in your own kitchen. Yeah, and it's so super easy to make. And if you have not watched my video on how to make homemade spinach spaghetti, please do, because this is a follow-up of that video. So come along with me. Let's turn to super chef right in our own kitchen.
In a Kimbo, put the bread, the sliced bread, and we'll be needing water. The measurement of everything I'm using will be in the description box, and I will allow this to soak for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it should be ready. When you press it, it should be mushy. And while we are using bread, you can use breadcrumbs if you like. It will hold the beef and the sausage together. Also, I forgot to show you that I'll be using cheese. If you have it, fine. If you don't, you can use fresh cheese, grated cheese, but I don't have fresh one. I have the store-bought dried one, so I'm going to be using this. In goes our beef, sausage in no particular order, the onion, black pepper, the garlic. I want it a bit hot, so I'm going to add some of this. Then salt, and finally my cheese. Then you can use your spatula to mix them together. You can use your potato masher to press them together, mash them together. If you like what you've seen so far, please do give this video a thumbs up. Or better still, you can use your hand if you want to. All we're after is to make everything get incorporated. You can also use your food processor if you don't want to use all this, but all what you have to is that they should be well mixed. I didn't use my hand, I used my potato masher and my spatula. All is done. Well incorporated. I've already dusted my tray with a little bit of flour. I have here ice cream scoop, so I'm going to scoop. See it? Yeah. So that was what I dusted with flour. Now I'm going to dust my palm of my hand with some flour. Not too much, just enough for me to roll them into ball shape. You will agree with me that apart from having your meatballs, homemade meatballs, cheaper, and doing it to your own taste, you will know that it's not going to be like the one bought in the store. It's going to be far better than the one bought in the store. Please don't forget to like this video. And what you can do when you finish rolling the ball, your meatball, is, you can see I'm adjusting the size, is that you can put a plain film on it and put it in the freezer, let it freeze for about 1 hour, then put it in the freezer bag and let it be in your freezer. I'm going to put some oil, just enough to fry the meatball. Allow the oil to be a little bit hot. Our meatballs I'll start dropping them in. I'm not doing deep frying, and it's just going to be for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then turn it. But because I'm going to make some spaghetti sauce with it, I'm not going to allow it to be 100% done, because it's still going to cook in the sauce. See it? This is not beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Moist. Look at our meatballs. And it's far cheaper than the store-bought.
When it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore. And as you explore, you will discover a lot. And the more you discover, the more you enjoy. We have discovered how to make meatballs. Super moist. And we control everything that was in it. You can just press on the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. Till next time, bye.